good. So we're gonna watch him feed the shark. George out there, trained professional, knows exactly what he's doing. Look at that. Fantastic. Great communication. And it looks like good. All right. Okay. I said we were gonna feed the shark, guys. I didn't say how. I just said that we were gonna do it. So we'll just move right on over, keep it nice and safe here. He usually swims right up to that yellow barrel there. You see him? There he goes. Oh my. That's a lot of fire, guys. Do not be distracted. He's messing with some stuff there under the dock. Look behind the flames at that yellow barrel. He's going to jump up and take it. Is that what he does? There it is. That is a great white mechanical shark, folks. Been scared of him all your life? Nothing to be scared of. His name's not even Jaws, by the way. It's Bert's